VA home loan I.E.D. Interest rates and discount points. This is one you're not going to want to miss out on. Stand by to get some. My name is Brad Stinson, the Mortgage Marine. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down interest rates and discount points for you. Now, I want to throw a disclaimer out there. Interest rates, it's a very intricate and in-depth conversation, and there's a lot to it. So I am breaking this down as simply as I possibly can without overcomplicating it. So there's a lot more to it. So there's my disclaimer. Interest rates. Now, I continuously get calls all day long. Hey man, what's your interest rates on a VA loan? Well, first off, I don't even know your name. There's a lot more to interest rates than just throwing a dart at the board. So what is an interest rate? Interest rate is the annual cost for you to borrow money. It's expressed as a percentage, and it is paid monthly with your principal payment. How are they determined? How is the overall, the bigger picture, how does this all affect you? Interest rates are determined by large economic and investment factors. Right? All the things that have been going on with the coronavirus, and the Fed fund rate is cutting, which doesn't affect your mortgage rate, by the way. All of this affects the mortgage rates. Okay, so large economic factors and large investment factors. Mortgage-backed securities, you probably have heard this before. If not, this is what they are. Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, and Ginnie Mae, they bundle home loans into this package called mortgage-backed securities, and they sell them to investors looking to make a profit. The interest rates are determined by what the investors are willing to pay. So once we figure that out, lenders can set their own interest rates from that. So every lender is different. There's always going to be one higher, there's always going to be one lower. Okay, so with all this activity that's going on, you can see why it's getting a little muddled, how it's all going crazy right now. Okay, so the next component of interest rate is the U factor. Okay, it's not as easy as a FICO score. All right, because there's a lot more to it. There's your FICO score, your credit history, your income, your assets, the loan amount, the loan type, the loan term, the property location, and many other factors. So when you call me and you say, hey man, what's your rates on VA loans? 30-year fixed. I don't even know your name. I can't give you an interest rate because you have all these other factors that are going in. Okay? But you as a consumer, how the interest rate is determined for you is you apply for a home loan mortgage. You find a home, we go under contract, and you get what's called par rate. Par is what you have earned, you've qualified for. That means you don't pay any money to get the rate, and you do not receive a credit either. It's right in the middle. It is par. Okay? Now, the biggest VA home loan I.E.D. that is out there is a discount point. Discount points really make me mad because I've never seen it in my career in which it makes sense to purchase discount points. Here's what discount points are. This is you, the consumer, paying at closing to the lender fees to reduce your monthly rate indefinitely. A discount point, 1 point, is equal to 1% of the loan amount. So let's use $200,000. So 1 point would be $2,000. But 1 point isn't 1 full point. It is an eighth of a point. So let's say your par rate is 3.5. You want to pay 1 discount point. So you drop from 3.5 to 3.375, and you pay $2,000 extra at closing. How much does that save you? It saves you $13. So you must do a break-even analysis. How many months are you gonna save $13 to break even of that $2,000 that you put down at closing? What Math for Marines did work for me. It is 154 months. Wow, that doesn't make sense. Then the more points you purchase, the more you pay. Discount points. Now, we already discussed interest rates and what goes into it. So when you receive mailers in your mailbox about, hey, we see that you have equity built up in your home. We can qualify you for a 2.5% interest rate. Well, how in the hell are they going to quote you a 2.5% interest rate if they don't know your FICO score, they don't know your income, your assets, nothing? The discount points that get you, because if you qualify at 4%, that's your par, but you got hooked with that 2.5 discount points, my friends. That is why it's the biggest I.E.D. The more intel you have, the more likelihood you're going to avoid this I.E.D. There you have it. Interest rates, discount points. My name is Brad Stinson, the Mortgage Marine. Please like, share, subscribe to my channels, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Semper Fi. Get out!